मनः प्राणे स्वयं वृत्त्या वालीयेत स्वयं यतः कारणान्नोदकद्वारा प्राणो हेतुर्मनः प्रति साक्षात् स्वहेतौ लीयेत कार्यं प्राणादिकेन तु गौणः प्राणादिको हेतुः ततो वृत्तिलयो धियः
मनः प्राणे स्वयं वृत्त्या वालीयेत मनः प्राणे स्वयं वा वृत्त्या वालीयेत स्वयं यतः कारण अन्नोदकद्वारा प्राणः मनः प्रति हेतु प्राणः मनः प्रति हेतु संशय मनः प्राणे in the prana swayam means swarupena in its entire nature or vrityava in terms of function vrityava liyeta merges purapaksha swayam means mind purapaksha says mind merges in the prana in its swarupa. And he gives the reason. Yataha, see, look, karana merges where? In karya merges where? In karana. That's all. So that means, manaha is the karya, manaha is the karya, prana is the karana. How? He says like this. Anywhere see manaha karana and prana karana, manaha karya and prana karana? No. He derives this roundabout way. See how? Says karana annodakadvara, karana rupa anna udakadvara. See like this. For manaha, anna is karana. If in doubt, don't eat for 7 days. Okay. So is it. So that is it. And for water, for prana, water is necessary. So that's it. So that is it. Karana rupa annodakadvara. Prana is the cause of mana. Pranaha manah pratihetu is the cause with respect to what? Mana. This is what he has derived. Which is indirectly, but not direct cause. So therefore he says, look, karya merges in karana provided that karana is the direct cause, not in the indirect cause, in the direct cause. Siddhanta. Karyam sakshat swahetau liyeta. An effect should necessarily merge in its direct cause. Sakshat, direct. Swahetau, in its cause. Natu pranadu pranadikena. Pranadike means pranadike karanena. Parampara karana, a cause in succession. Pranadi or pranadika means interposition, medium, intervention. Pranadi or pranadika means intervention, interposition, medium. Then pranadika means that which is intervened means what? That which is indirect, that's all. Parampara karana, it is not parampara Karana. Sorry. Natu Prana. Pranadika. Why so? Reason is Pranadika hetu gauna. A cause in succession is a secondary cause and not a direct cause. So therefore, atatataha, therefore, dhiyaha vrittilayaha, dhiyaha manasaha antakaranasya vrittilayaha. So what was this is the function. Take caption. Purapa. The Sutrakara is describing Tanmanaha Prane Uttara. Tanmanaha, with that mind. Come on, which mind? Mind which is the adhara of all vrittilaya of the indriya. So sarvendriya vrittilaya adhara bhutam. Sarvendriya vrittilaya adhara bhutam. Mind which is the adhara for the merging of all the indriyas. Manaha means antakaranam. Prane, in the prane. How? Svavritti layadvara liyate. Prane liyate. Merges in prana. How? Sa svavritti layadvara. Through the merging of its function. It means mind's function. How do you say so? Means no sarupena, not in its nature entirety. How do you say so? Uttara. The same Shruti, which is 686 Chandogya, which you have seen in the first Bhashya of the first scene, is there Manah Prane comes afterwards. Mind merges where in the Prana. Uttara. Uttara means Uttara Vakya. By the subsequent sentence, Manaha Prane, where in the same Vang, Manasi, etc., in the same Shruti, it is there. So this is how